What did this latest data tranche really show us?
Oh, hi, Heidi. Thanks for having me on. Well, I think you're right. It's a clearer than expected sign that over the quarter, the situation has improved. Obviously, we're seeing global trade led by Asia improving. That's giving your big manufacturers encouragement. We can see in the survey details that automakers, their sentiment improved significantly in this latest Tankan. Obviously, we have vaccine developments. That's another positive, another round of stimulus from Suga's government. But we should also add that we are still in negative territory. So I mean, this is still companies pessimistic about where they are and the future, and that pessimism is stronger amongst the smaller firms. So while it is a better than expected result, we're still not out of the woods, and we have record infections at home and abroad. So there's still plenty of uncertainty. And one thing I'd like to just point out is, the cash does the talking. And if you look at the firm's, capex plans, that's down 1.2% expected year on year. And that's the worst figure in a December Tankan since about 2009. So, yes, it's a clear and expected signal of improving sentiment, but it's still not 100% clear.
So what does this mean for the BOJ? Of course, not a lot of expectations on what else they can do in the monetary front, but we know that they've been supporting those corporations as well.
Yeah, that's a good point. And, that BOJ COVID support program has been helping a lot. I mean, if you look at the bankruptcy figures, you'll see that here we are. We've been in a crisis, and bankruptcies are down year on year by over 20%. That's amazing, and that reflects government kind of loan support and this 120 trillion yen loan program from the BOJ, which also ramped up corporate bond buying and commercial paper buying. Now that program of COVID support, we're expecting the BOJ to extend that on Friday, but keep all the main levers, all the interest rates, all the other stuff unchanged.
Can they continue to be not do as much as they did before if you have a stronger Japanese yen? Because now we've topped the 104 level against the US dollar.
Well, that's a good point. I mean, a year ago, 104, people have been in total panic mode. But, COVID has shifted the expectations, the goalposts, the comfort zones. And I think, 104 looks a lot more comfortable than it would have done a year ago. In our monthly survey, for example, economists say, the trigger point for the BOJ on dollar yen, whereas that was kind of 100 or more a year ago, that's like 95 now. So we're quite a ways from that kind of panic moment.